The physical work and showing the dancers some of the material from the actual piece that they're going to see, there's no other way for that to happen. I mean, it really has to happen physically with the dancers, because if they see a video, I just don't think it's the same experience at all for a dancer. I think it's very important that they have the physical contact with the material.
There are so many different ways to work. There are so many different modes and methodologies to creating a work, and Lucinda's is very unique and has a very specific method, and that method can be super useful to other dancers in terms of their own personal practice, but also in making their own work.
I hope that they realize that there's a lot of complicated things within something that looks very simple. Sometimes I think when the audience sees the work, it looks very pedestrian and very casual in a way, but there's a lot going on off stage to make sure what happens on stage has that sort of effect. I think it's a great way for people to have a better understanding of what goes on as a performer, so it gives them a little bit of an extra heads up on what happens within the work. But I think for us what it's great is just to meet different people from all over the world, actually, that we can work with and help facilitate this sort of experience.
You know, the dancers, we can't hang something on a wall and then leave and leave that behind. You know, it has to be happen in the moment, and that's why these kind of opportunities are so precious. You know, that there's an actual physical performance, and there's just no other way to experience the work.